Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a totally new video that I'm bringing to you. So today I am doing a Ross and Walmart haul. So those are the two places I went today. And y'all ever been to the store and say, I'm just gonna go look, take a look to see what they got? Y'all, look what I brought. I have all this stuff right here. Okay, so I am updating my home. I got my floors done, and that's a whole nother video. So as you can see, we're painting and everything, so we got lots of stuff going on right now. So I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I bought. I am going for a modern farmhouse look, and so I'm going to just show you some of the pieces that I'm working with. Some items I will DIY and do some things to it to update it, and some items, you know what, I just remembered, I forgot some stuff. I got some stuff from the dollar store. So let me go ahead and get that, and then I'll come back and show you guys everything that I got. Okay, y'all, so here are the items that I got from the dollar store. I am going to do a command center. I had one, but I just need to update it so it could be a little bit more functional for me. So let's go ahead and start with this haul. So let me go ahead and just share with you all what I got from Ross, okay? So let's see here. These are some risers. They were $8.99, and I love the wood, and it's food safe. You can put food on here. So I got two of these, and one of the things that I'm incorporating in my decor is natural wood and also this dark metal. So as you can see, I have my side table here, and I have the metal frame as well. So you'll see that across a lot of the pieces here, okay? So I got two, $8.99. These are cute. Here's are the legs, okay? These are really cute. Not too high, so these are cute, okay? So I got this from Ross. These are wall decor pieces. This one is $16.99 and the other one is $14.99. So this is a smaller piece, and then this is the longer piece. And what I plan on doing this is putting it in one of the walls that I have and making that a nice little gallery wall, okay? And so this was another piece that I got from Ross, and this was $19.99, and so it's, let me put it down so you guys can get a better look. So basically you can hang your keys, backpacks, purses, and things like this. So this will be going, the plan is for me to put this in my laundry room. So I'll put this in my laundry room, and I will be doing this nice little, what is it called? What is it called when you guys have, when you walk in? I'll put the name somewhere on the screen because I'm having a brain fart right now. But anywho, I plan on putting this in the laundry room, so as my kids are coming in, they can hang their backpacks and everything's organized right here, okay? So I like this because it has a nice shelf, so I can put like flour, some succulents and stuff up here, so it can be nice and cute, okay? So it's a pretty solid piece. It's pretty heavy, okay? So that is this. All right. Now the next thing that I got from Ross is this clock. It's very pretty. It has this rustic feel to it. It's going to go perfect in my kitchen nook area. That's where I plan to put this. So I went ahead and got it. And I also got it because it does have the gray in here, and it is going to go with this gather sign. So this gather sign is going to be, oh wait, I didn't tell you guys, this is $14.99. And there were similar, not even similar, there were some clocks about this size at Walmart for $24.99. So I know I got a good price. Okay, I got a good price on this. So with this gather sign, it is quite more expensive than some of the other items, but it was perfect to go in my kitchen nook area. So this one is $24.99. It's pretty heavy. It's a pretty good size. So I'm excited about that. And then this one says Home Sweet Home. I plan on using this. I probably will put this on this wall right here. I'm painting this wall. I'm pretty much done. I just gotta go back and clean up the trim, the white trim. So the Home Sweet Home, more than likely will go in that section, okay? So the next thing I saw was this candle. It isn't the right color. It's like, it has like a soft pink tint to it, but I can always paint this and use it in decor, all right? So this right here, oh, the candle holder was $7.99. $7.99. And then this sign, it says, all things are possible to those who believe. And so I really like it. This is going to be a DIY project because I got two of the same thing. So I will be painting this, and I like the wood. So this is going to stay the same. So I'm going to paint this and add my own scripture on both of these, okay? So this is going to be a separate project, a DIY project that I'll post later on in my channel, okay? And then this tray right here, I will be using this tray, and one of the screws are missing, you guys. I bought it like that. It's $7.99. I didn't care. But this will be going in my guest bathroom. So I will put the soap dispenser and probably put one of the wax warmer thingy majigs on here. So it's pretty simple, pretty cute. I like it. Okay. All right. And so this one, yeah, $7.99. All right. So let me get up for this one. All right, so these two wall decor pieces came without those little succulent frames right there, but they were $29.99. So I think this was the most expensive thing I bought today, was this thing. But like I said, these two, I'm thinking to put it right here and right here next to, as you guys can see, I'm still painting. Still got ways to go, okay? Don't mind the mess. All right, so I was thinking about putting it right here and right here, only because if you look at my house, I have these arch things, you know, I have these arches and stuff. So I thought it would be perfect, even though it's not the exact same arch, but I was thinking, okay, well, I have this, it'll be a good accent piece to put on the wall, okay? So I got two. If it doesn't work out, I'm bringing it back. And so I saw this at the Dollar Tree. I thought these were very cool. Even if it's something that I hang on the wall, in my gallery wall, in the different areas. I just got two square ones and two triangle ones. So yeah, I could leave it flat like this. I can leave it like that. So I can do anything with it. I can lay it flat like this, or I can stand it up. So yeah, so those are $1 at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so one last thing that I wanted to share with you is this cool, y'all, Ross, don't go to sleep on Ross. Please don't go to sleep on Ross. I bought this Black & Decker project pack, okay? You get a drill, you get a power drill, you get a charger, a level, you get these drill bits, you get all these screwdriving bits, screws, you know, all this extra stuff, okay? Guess how much this is? Do y'all see this price? Hold on now. Focus. $14.99. Okay, so I got my little handy dandy little Black & Decker power drill so I can hang up the things that I bought, okay? And so also some of the things that I bought, I will be using command strips to hang it up on the wall, just so it can help me not put too many holes on the wall. So yeah, I wanted to put that out there. So now we're gonna go ahead and go over the things that I got from Dollar Tree. So as you remember, I got these from Dollar Tree. I also got these Love Each Moment little signs, and I really can care less about the little rose thing and everything. All of this is coming off, okay? So this is going to be part of my command center, so please stay tuned for that. Check back with me in a few weeks and see what I do with this command center. So I will be doing a chore chart for my kids so that I can make sure that they make their beds, they brush their teeth, and everything that I need them to do on a daily basis. So This is something that I will be creating myself. And let me see the size. How big is this? I don't know. But I got 3 because I have 3 kids. So each of the kids will have their own. And I also got each of them their own magnets. So one of the things that I'll be buying is labels from Avery. I think 1-inch labels or something. Circle labels that I can put on top of the magnets. So I got 12 for each child. So each one of my kids, they'll have their own pack of magnets with their chores on it, and then that way it can save me time on fussing at them, give them more responsibility and stuff like that. So this is going to be an awesome way that they are able to be responsible and all that good stuff, okay? And so I did get these books also. These are going to be some DIY projects. I will be adding, these are, oops, I'm not reading these books, okay? I'm not gonna read these books. But you see how these are different sizes and different heights, okay? So this right here is gonna go on my coffee table right here. And I will be taking the covers out of them. I'm going to be painting them, or I might just leave this like this. But yeah, I want them to match my decor, so I'll leave them like this on the coffee table. And then the 3 that I have that are the same, I'm going to do this cool project that I've seen. I'm gonna paint all of these. Let me see what color the book is. Okay, so this is black. So I plan on painting this all white and then also adding my kid's name on each one of these books, okay? And then I'm gonna tie it with a, I forget the name of the string, a jute, whatever, you know what I mean. I'll put the name up here on the board, on the screen for you. So yeah, that's gonna be another DIY project. So yeah, you guys, I have lots of stuff coming, okay? I've been busy, but I'm putting some time into some projects, okay? What else I got? So that's everything that I got from the Dollar Tree, okay? So next week is when I'll actually start working on some of these projects. Painting should be done by, today is what? Today's Friday, so I should be done with painting everything by Sunday. So by Monday, Tuesday, I'll start doing my DIY projects and things of that nature, okay? So let's go ahead and go over some of the things that I got from Walmart. Walmart, I kept this simple. I thought this was cute, so I picked this up. And then I also got these nesting baskets. I got this set. They were on clearance, originally $14.99. They were on sale for like $9 or $10. So I picked up 2. I was thinking about putting these in the bathrooms. I will be, like I said, I'm updating different areas of my house, but the bathroom needs to be painted. So once I get done with painting the bathrooms, I'm gonna add a floating shelf or regular shelf, and then these are the baskets that I'm gonna use to decorate with, okay? So I just got 2. And then I also got these fragrance warmers from Walmart. Now, let me tell y'all, I didn't want to spend $15. Most of the warmers are anywhere between 15 to 17, 18 bucks. This one's $6.97. That fits my price range, okay? I just need this thing plugged into the wall in the corner and do its thing, okay? I didn't really care about the design as long as it did what it needed to do, okay? So that's that. I got 2. One is going in the guest bathroom. I don't know yet. So I think I went over everything that I got, you guys. Yeah, so that's everything. And you guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Click that notification bell so you know when I will be posting, you know, sharing information on here. And so some of the stuff that's on here, I just put it up here just to see how things were looking. But as soon as I get done with painting, then I'll be able to share with you guys exactly what I'm doing. So let me show you my kitchen real quick. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the original colors of my walls, okay? So I spray painted these bases, these candle stick holders. I painted all of that, okay? So I will be updating this completely, okay? All of this is gonna be updated. This base right here, I bought it like that. I'm gonna be painting that. So it's gonna be a totally different look up here, but I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like. I apologize if I talk too fast. I'm so sorry. I just talk fast, okay? So I want to get a sign up here that says pantry. Eventually I want to change my pantry door, but it's okay, I don't need to change right now. And then I want to do a sign up here that says laundry, and okay, we're gonna leave that alone. But yeah, you guys, so that is my haul. So I'm gonna put everything away and just wait until I'm done painting and everything. And I got new floors, so that's a whole nother video as well, okay? So the floors, the rug is from Ruggable. I have a review on that. So yeah, so I have lots of DIY projects, lots of home decorating videos that are gonna be coming up. So you guys, stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.